Hello, it's Lexi, and I'm going to be narrating my philosophy of teaching statement. In a world where every child possesses unique potential waiting to be unleashed, I am driven by the belief that education holds the power to ignite the flames of curiosity, growth, and inclusivity. Imagine a classroom where every student is valued, celebrated, and empowered to thrive. As an educator, it is my unwavering commitment to kindle these flames and cultivate an environment where all children can flourish. My primary goal is to create a supportive and inclusive environment where all children can flourish and reach their full potential. I believe that every child deserves an equal opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. As an educator, my objective is to create a supportive and inclusive environment where all children can flourish academically, socially, and emotionally. I aspire to nurture a love for learning, empower students to reach their full potential, and foster a sense of belonging. Through evidence-based practices and a commitment to equity, I strive to equip students with the skills, knowledge, and mindset necessary for their personal and academic success. To achieve these objectives, I will employ a range of effective teaching methods and strategies. Firstly, I will create a nurturing and inclusive learning environment by establishing positive relationships with my students, their families, and the wider community. Collaboratively developing classroom norms that emphasize respect, active learning, and inclusivity will ensure a supportive atmosphere. Furthermore, I will integrate diverse learning materials such as literature, textbooks, and multimedia resources that reflect various cultures, perspectives, and identities. By incorporating differentiated instruction, personalized learning experiences, and accommodations, I will cater to the diverse needs and learning styles of my students. Cooperative learning strategies and collaborative projects will encourage teamwork, communication, and the development of interpersonal skills. By promoting cultural competence through lessons that integrate students' cultural backgrounds, traditions, and experiences, I will foster an appreciation for diversity and empathy among students. Assessing and reflecting upon my teaching effectiveness is crucial for continuous improvement. I will employ a variety of formative and summative assessments that align with students' diverse strengths and learning styles. These assessments will include project-based assessments, presentations, portfolios, and performances to provide students with multiple opportunities to demonstrate their understanding. By offering timely and constructive feedback, I will guide students' growth and support their academic development. Additionally, I will engage in self-reflection, seeking feedback from students, parents, and colleagues to identify areas of strength and areas for improvement. Regularly evaluating and adjusting my instructional practices will ensure that I am meeting the needs of all students and fostering their progress. Above all, my desire to teach stems from a deep-rooted belief in the transformative power of education. I am passionate about empowering young minds, fostering their intellectual curiosity, and instilling in them a lifelong love for learning. Witnessing the growth and development of students as they overcome challenges and achieve their goals brings me immeasurable joy and fulfillment. I am driven by the opportunity to make a positive impact on the lives of my students and contribute to a more inclusive and equitable society. Teaching is not just a profession for me. It is a calling and a privilege that I wholeheartedly embrace. In conclusion, I aim to create a nurturing and inclusive environment where all children can flourish academically, socially, and emotionally. Through evidence-based practices, differentiated instruction, personalized learning experiences, and the celebration of diversity, I aim to empower students, foster their growth, and instill a love for lifelong learning. By continuously assessing my teaching effectiveness and engaging in reflective practices, I am committed to providing the best possible education for my students. Ultimately, I am driven by a deep passion for teaching and the profound impact it can have on the lives of young learners. Thank you so much for listening.